Hi guys, welcome back to Sakers, and today, I haven't been doing a video for a very long time, so I thought why don't we make like a little calm jar so you can use it like whenever you're stressed, anxious, sad, angry or anything like that. You might even just want to use it when you're happy to just shake something or something like that. Okay, so what you need is a jar, a jam jar, anything like that. You need some glitter glue. We did this slime video and I used half of this up. I'm just going to be using the other half for this. As you can see, I'm going for a blue theme if you hadn't noticed. And I've got this like turquoisey glitter. You can have food colouring if you want. I just chose some blue food colouring. And yeah, you can, for the glitter, it says on here, you can have glitter shapes, like you can have chunky glitter, small glitter, and like fine glitter. We've just done fine glitter. And you will also need some water. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get on with the video. So I have just filled up my little jar around near the top. And first we need to add our glue. So it says the glitter glue in the jar, you can squeeze as much as you like. So let's squeeze as much as we like. Okay, that's probably enough for me because I still want to save some. Now we need to add, so now we need to add the glitter, now we need to add extra glitter and our shapes. I have found some little blue stars for my confetti and we just need to add them in. So yeah. I really like glitter, so I'm probably going to add a lot of glitter. I could probably move this to the middle. That is a lot of glitter. Look at that, it's just sitting on the top. So now I'm going to add some of my confetti, little star confettis. Don't want them to explode everywhere, okay? So I think I need to get some scissors to open it. So we have finally opened the packet of confetti. Bit of technical difficulties there because the scissors were not in the scissor drawer. So now we just need to add our little stars in. I'm going to add a bit, but not so much, just in case my mum makes a mistake of filming. So now we need to, so if we are adding food colouring, which I am, I'm just going to quickly add like a couple of drops. Okay, that is like sitting on the stars. So now I've done all that, I need to add on the lid. So we have got some Gorilla Glue. We're just going to make sure it was tight shut. I'm not going to do it. My mum is going to do it because I don't want to glue my hands to the jar. So we just need to put the Gorilla Glue on the edges and like screw this on and like leave it for a couple of minutes to dry. So we'll be right back when that is done. So apparently we don't have to wait for it to dry. So it looks really cool from the side and stuff, if you can see. So I'm going to quickly shake it and see how it looks after that. So, oh, I wish it looks like the ocean or something. Oh, I feel like a little mermaid charm. That would be fun to put in. But thanks for watching. Tell me what colour yours is, or maybe send pictures of what yours looks like. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!